This is question 32 from section B of the 2018 PBSAA paper. In this question, we're given an item and told it has some price P. And then we're told this price is increased by 125% and then it's decreased by 40% to Q. And we can write that P and Q are related in some way by M times P is equal to Q. And we're asked to find M. So we have all this information here, but this is a horrible form to have in. It's not particularly obvious what's going on. So what we have to ask is, how can we represent this information in a better way? And as is the answer in many of these multiple choice questions, draw a diagram. So we have P, some middle price, and then some Q. And we do this between them. So we take P, we increase it by 125%, gets us some middle price, and decrease it by 40%, Q. So to go from P to here, essentially what we want to do is we want to take 1.25 times the original amount, and then add it to itself, right? So, i.e., we want 225% of what we began with. So we do that by times by 2.25. And similarly, if we want to decrease by 40%, that's equivalent to taking 60% of what we started with. So we could do this by times it by 0.6. And so to go from P to Q, we times by 2.25 and then times by 0.6. So if MP is equal to Q, our M must be the product of 2.25 and 0.6. So let's try and get this into a better form. So let's try and get M in a form of a fraction, because that's what all the answers in the multiple choice are in. So 2.25 is equal to 9 over 4, and 0.6 is equal to 6 over 10, but we can simplify that to 3 over 5. And so we get this as an expression for M, just times numerators, times denominators, and we get 27 over 20, which matches answer C on the multiple choice options, and so our answer is C.